Hi guys, Bobby D here. Welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you how I made $6,000 on Fiverr. How I personally made $6,000, and I'm going to show you how. Not only am I doing that, I am holding a competition today where at the end of the video I'm going to do a little competition where you could win my actual software that costs $47 for free. One of you can win it for free. Just watch the video and I'll explain more as we go along. So what am I going to show you in this video? I'm going to show you where to go to look at this site, how you can earn daily money. I'll show exactly how much money I made, $6,000. I'll show you how I can do it over and over again. This works worldwide. You get paid by PayPal, and I will show you the shortcut to my success, how you can double or triple your income using my method that I teach, okay? And it's great. It just makes money, okay? And not only that, I might even be able to give you a copy for free. So like I said, there is a competition within this video. Watch it till the end, guys. It's really important. My competition details will be in there. It's really easy to enter, and it's really easy to win a copy of this product. Now, before we go anywhere, please hit the subscribe and hit the bell button for me, guys. I have loads of content on here, loads of money-making ideas, loads of ways to make money every single day. And if you hit the subscribe and then hit the bell, that way you get to see my videos as I upload them, you get to see them first, and you get to make money first. Now, the other thing I'm doing, I'm giving a lot away today. Below in the comments section are 7 videos. It says get my free training. Hit that link there. There's 7 videos in there that teach you all about affiliate marketing, how I got started, and how I make easily $100+ a day. And I do this part-time. All right, you can do it too. So hit the subscribe and the bell, guys. I'd really appreciate it. And let's jump on with the trade. So this is, oh God, hang on. Sorry about that, guys, bit of a technical issue. So this is Fiverr, as you all know, Fiverr.com. Everyone knows what this is. Now, before I go any further, I just want to show you some proof, because a lot of these videos say, oh, do this, do that, and they don't show you proof of money. Well, I can. So we go to analytics there. So remember, this is in pounds, guys. I've made £5,236. I've done 959 orders. My average price is £7.4. Okay. I'm level 2 seller. I've done 959 orders. I've had 524 feedback. I've sold to 29% of the world, which is crazy. You know, Nigeria, Saudi Arabia, India, Pakistan, Russia, Australia, Brazil, Argentina, Nicaragua. United States is my biggest seller. Canada, you know, some big companies there and countries that have been buying my stuff. Okay, that is my dashboard. All right, so it shows that it works, guys. Right, 5,236 is $6,444 that equates to, and that is what I made on Fiverr part-time. Right, so you all know what Fiverr is. Switch over to buying. It's a platform where people post gigs. Now, this has been around for a long time, but I'm telling you now, guys, this is one of the biggest ways to make money ever, and it still is. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You need to look at Fiverr as a long-term business. This is a business in a box, all right? A business in a box. And if you treat it like a business, you will build it up. I have students of mine making hundreds and hundreds of dollars a day using Fiverr, because they are using the methods that I teach, okay? So basically, this is the platform. What I used to sell, I'll tell you one of the gigs that I used to sell. Was a backlinks. People love backlinks. They love backlinks. You can see here, you know, this guy's done 200. 180, 218. People love to buy backlinks for their websites or their blogs, and there's big money in it. You know, let's go back to here quickly. You know, this guy's done 70 and he charges £65. That is insane. He's done 200 at £16. You know, absolutely easy money if you know how to do it. Now, what I show you in my course, in my Fiverrlicious courses, I know nothing about backlinks. Zilch. Ditto. All right. But I know someone who does. And basically, I will go to another website where I would pay them $1. And then for that $1, I would charge $10. And all I would do was take the order from this guy, give it to my other guy. He gives me the order back and I send it to this guy. And I normally made about $7 clear. All right. For literally 60 seconds work. All right. It's super easy money. SEO was the other one that I used to do. Just hit SEO. You know, some big money in this. You know, backlinking again. Get you on page 1 of Google. I can do that easy. Fix your website. You know, all these things you can get done elsewhere for virtually nothing. And I mean virtually nothing. I used to pay $1, $2 maximum. And then I would charge between $5 and sort of $40, $50 in return. So some serious money can be made using Fiverr, and it is super easy. You know, some of the things you can do yourself, you know, logo design. You know, these people make logos. All you need to do is go over to canva.com, which is a free website, to a design site, and there's loads of designs already done. You know, Facebook covers. In fact, let's go back and type that in. If you do Facebook cover, these people are charging serious money. £12, and he's done 199, right? He's probably just doing it at Canva. You know, you hit Facebook cover there, so it's immediately the right size for your Facebook cover. You can download all these backgrounds for free. You know, you'd want one. That looks quite nice. That looks quite nice. Change their name on it. It's super easy. Oh, you literally just do that. Save it, send it to them. That's taken me 1 second. You know, you could sell that for $12. Canva.com, really good. Loads and loads of stuff you can do on Canva.com. It's one of my go-to sites for everything that I do. So what program am I talking about that I can offer you? Well, it's a program that I put together called Fiverrlicious, and it's all about making money on Fiverr. How I went from $0 to $6,444. All right, there are 8 videos. This is the members area. There are 8 videos in here for you to look at, and they're titled an overview, let's get started, the different Fiverr levels, how to outsource, putting it together, setting up the gigs, using video, looking at the actual gigs that I sold, and then a sign-off video from myself. All right, I show you here where you buy the gigs from for $1, right, in this section here, and then you can join Fiverr there. I show you everything you need to know to have this as a successful business in the box. Now, we spoke about a competition. Let me peer back. So, guys, what I'm going to offer you is a copy of this product of Fiverrlicious, right, for free. I sell it for $47. You can have it for free. What do you need to do? Now, this is for one person only. You have to like this video and leave me a positive comment below. That's all you have to do. Like and leave a positive comment below. On my next video that I publish, which will be in a couple of days' time, I will pick a winner on air, live on video. And all you need to do is watch that next video that I do, contact me on Facebook, and I will send you a copy of Fiverrlicious. It is that simple. I will send you a $47 product for free, just as a thank you for watching my video and being one of my subscribers, guys. So do me a favor, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, like, and leave a comment, and that will be absolutely brilliant. You get a product, and I'll be more than happy to give that to you and get you started on your affiliate Fiverr career, because the money that can be made on this Fiverr is ludicrous. It's actually ridiculous how much money can be made. I mean, this guy here, look, 782 Facebook covers at £16. He's done 1,000 of them at £8. That's £8,000 straight off. You can see how quickly you can make them on Canva, literally seconds. All right, absolute seconds. So that's it, guys. Take part in the competition. Give yourself a chance to win this, and I'd appreciate it. I'm Bobby D from Bobby D Online Marketing. I'll speak to you soon.